Good afternoon, everyone. I'm Japen Gor, Chief Expert for Renewable Energy. Today, here in East Regional Competition at Bhubaneswar, we are testing and having a competition among total 10 participants. 5 female and 5 male participants are competing. The skills is about operation and maintenance, installation, and designing, as well as troubleshooting of solar and wind energy systems. So participants are going to perform installation, operation and maintenance, and troubleshooting, as well as they are going to determine how much solar system can be installed in a given area, what is the effect of a shadow, and how the solar systems are going to generate energy. Thank you very much.